If you are a front-end developer, this video is very important for you, or it could help you very much. So the thing is that we are going to learn HTML roadmap for a front-end developer. It's gonna be very important video. So for that, you will first learn, get familiar with web. So what is web? What is HTML? What is web pages and structure? And how to use HTML and static and dynamic HTML, right? So for that, these are the things that UI developer, HTML developer should know, or a front end developer should know about that. Running JavaScript, what is JavaScript and how it's run with VS Code and with our project. So it's very important. Basic web structure, what is the structure of the website or web? So the basic structure is we should define the doc type HTML, then HTML, then head, then body. So these are the basic structure we always use. So a front-end developer always knows this. Other things are there. The next things are there, very important. There are some tags which is called familiar with other tags. So let's get familiar with other tags. These are the very common tags like title, meta, script, no script, and style. These are the head tags you can use in your head section of the HTML pages or document. So you can use these head tags in the head section. Okay. And the content container tags, these are called container tags like div tag, p tag, span, strong, em, and hi to h6. Hi to x means h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. H1 is the biggest or highest level of heading, and h6 is the lowest level of heading. So these are the things, and this is called content container tag. Another one is list tag, ol, order list, unordered list, and li. So more few tags are there like semantic tags. Semantic tags are called like articles, aside, details, main, header, footer. These are called semantic tags. Nav, bar, and section, summary, times. These are the semantic tags. And empty tags is there, img, br tag, and hr tag. Empty tag is called because there is no closing tag, only a starting tag is there. So with the starting tag you can use backslash. So break tag, in the break tag or hr tag there is no closing, or there is no closing tag. Like image tag is also not have no closing tag. So if you use image tag, you don't have to close the image tag, and you don't have to close the br tag. Matlab br means break, and you don't have to close the hr tag as well. So that's why it's called empty tag. There is no closing of this tag. Like in the above section, you have here in the article tag, you have to open article tag and then close the article tag. But in empty tag you don't have to close the tags. Okay. And multimedia tags are also there, like audio, video, source, embedded, and track. These are the HTML5 tags. Very much familiar you are, I think so, because it's very common used, and it's the latest tags introduced by HTML5. And another thing is there, it's called attribute. Attributes are generally you are using to define a style and get or fetch the value by using id. Okay, so these are called attributes, like id, class, styles, src, alt, alternatives it's called. So, and width and height, forms, attribute, event attribute, these are the common attributes. Beside it beside it, yeah, comment in HTML is also there. So advanced HTML, in advanced HTML graphics are there. So graphics tags are there like canvas tags and svg to show the graphic things. Okay, so HTML APIs, geolocation, web storage, drag and drop, web worker, and SE, server sent event. These are the HTML APIs. What is accessibility? The web content accessibility guideline, and wrote more about tag related to accessibility. So web accessibility, these are the things. Okay. So reduce to learn HTML. So these are the YouTube channels you can follow to learn HTML, right? The great learning code with Harry and programming with Mosh. These are the very famous HTML or coding channels that you can follow to learn code, HTML code or front end. You can be a front end developer very easily by using this knowledge, by gaining the knowledge from websites or YouTube. So yeah, these are the things. Thank you guys. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. HTML5 roadmap.